We tracked 7 west one time with my 2.4 meter dish, and the intention was to get bean spot. And I told you the direction and everything. And some people they told me it was a waste of dish, that in their location they could get it with maybe 90 cm or 60 cm. This specifically for those in East Africa. So now I want to see how I can track the 7 west NSS 201 or NSS 12. Is it 201 or 12? But just know you call it 7 west here with this my dish, and see if I can get it. Normally, if you want to get 7 west, I told you in my previous lectures, I told you that once you've locate your location, like standing here like this, let's assume from this place like this, like this, like this, like this, like this is your east. Then behind you like this is your west. So if here is your east, that means something like this. Now we have something like, remember the video I did my 42 and 45. I told you that like this, straight like this could be your, let me say 68, 68 thereabout. Yeah, 68. Then you move like this, 36 like this, like this, like this, to this side, to the end of this place like this, to the end of this place like this is where your east, and so your west will be from here. So definitely here will be 7 west. So if here is 7 west, if you have a DSTV dish, the DSTV dish should be something like this, just like as if it's something like this. So we're going to confirm if the 7 west will work in this location. I'm going to tell you the the we're going to see the number of channels we're going to pick. Then probably we can see if we can add 7 east to it. Stay tuned.